Hi.
Hi.
Where you going?
I'm going in my room. Wow!
What happened?
I've never seen this room before. It's awesome! Look like all the Toy Story bed and stickers. And windows. I like this cool room.
You like it? It's a big boy room for my big boy. What do you think?
It's awesome. I did this, Mama.
Me and Audie hooked it up for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's awesome. It rocks.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. I have Woody, the toy Woody.
You excited?
Yes. Everybody just see this room.
What happened?
Everybody see this room, and they say it rocks.
You want everybody to see the room?
Yes. And they says, but where's the toy for AJ? He was sleeping. Where's the toy for AJ? Because he was sleeping. Yeah, I was sleeping. Let her go.
AJ, you excited? Let me see. Get excited. You're welcome, Papa.
You're welcome.